Hi students, welcome. So now we go for in projection of planes topic. As per our question, a thin circular plate of 50 mm diameter lies on the HP such that its surface is inclined 45 degree to HP. The diameter through the point on which the plate lies on the HP appears to be inclined at 45 degree to VP. Draw the projections by change of position method. Clear? So this problem, the shape of the plane is circular plane. Clear? So let us consider. You draw one XY reference. A circular plate of dia 50 lies on HP. Therefore, initially the plate is resting on HP or lies on HP means the true circular shape is visible in top view. Therefore, first we draw top view of circle size 50 mm diameter. So, this is the 50 mm diameter circle. Clear? Right. After completion of that circle, we know that divide the circle into n equal parts. So depends upon the circle size, we divide it, either it is 8 equal parts or 12 equal parts or n number of equal parts, choice is yours. Okay. But now I consider 8 equal parts. So this is, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 equal parts. Then we project it from each and every one, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5. Why I am telling 4, 6 means you draw the projection from 4, definitely is passing through 6 for that case only. Next, this is 2, 8 and this one is 1. Clear? That one. So the circular plate of dia 50 mm. Now in the front view, because the plane is completely lies on HP, therefore front view is completely lies on XY. Clear? So now this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 8 dash, 3 dash and 7 dash, 4 dash and 6 dash and 5 dash. Clear? Right. Then the circular plate 50 mm diameter lies on HP such that the surface is inclined 45 degree to HP. During the inclination, at the time of inclination, only one point lies on HP. So while tilting that plane, the diameter 1 and 5, while tilting, number 1 is lies on HP. Therefore, you draw that. Same, it is first diagram, this one is second diagram. Now second and third, same shape and size, same diameter, that is straight line length. You tilt it, how much angle? As per the given is 45 degree inclined to HP. So 45 degree inclined to HP, this one. So this one is, we know that it is 1 dash to 2 dash, how much? That is called 2 dash, and as it is 8 dash. Next one is this is 3 dash, 7 dash. Now this one is 4 dash, 6 dash, and that one is 5 dash. Clear? So same 1 dash to 5 dash, the diameter 50, no? So 1 to 5 is 50, same 1 to 5 is 50. After that, you draw the projection lines from 1, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6 and 5. Then now here 7 and 7, 8, 6. So here 8, this is 6, this is 1, 5, this is 1, this is 5, it is 2, 4, this is 2, this is 4, and this one is 3. Clear? So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It appears ellipse. because the circular plate while tilting it appears ellipse only. Clear? You draw smooth curve. Yeah, so it appears ellipse. Now the plane is inclined, how much angle? 45 degree inclined to HP. And next condition, inclined to VP, the diameter through the point on which the plate lies on HP, it appears to be 45 degree inclined to VP. So which point is lies in the diameter? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 point. So the 1, 5 is the diameter, 2, 4 is 2, 6 is the diameter, 3, 7 is the diameter, and 4, 8 is the diameter. Clear? In this case, so which point is lies here? Number 1 is lies on HP. Therefore, the diameter passing through that point, lying point is 1, 5. Here 1, 5. Now the 1, 5 line is parallel to VP. But we need 45 degree inclined to VP. Clear? So therefore, the parallel VP diameter line now want to tilt 45 degree inclined to VP. Therefore, so finally we get fourth diagram. Now the fourth diagram and fifth diagram both are same shape and size. We trace the diagram as it is, only one difference. The resting point 1, the diameter passing through the resting point is 1, 5. Now the 1, 5 is parallel to VP. Now we want to incline 45 degree to VP. So therefore the total diagram we tilt it like this. Clear? Like this. So now this is number 1, this is number 5. Clear? Same. So 1 to here, how much is there? That much distance we made it. Clear? So here to here, same distance here to here. Next in middle. Clear? Now 1 to this line and this line distance, how much? Same distance. And here to here, how much? Here to here, how much? So finally we got, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So this one, so the ellipse. So actually here the ellipse, it comes to here. Now it converts this direction. Clear? Like. So after that you trace it. Trace all the points. Okay. So from 1, from 8, from 7, from 6, from 5, 4, 3, 2. Now this is 5. 5 verse 5. 5 dash. Clear? Next 4 and 6. Where is 6? Last one is 6. Now this is 4. This is 4 dash. Next thing 3 and 7. 3 and 7. So this one is 7. This one is, last one is 3. So 3 dash. Next 2 and 8. 2 and 8. So this one is 2. 2 versus 2. 8 versus 8. This one is 8 dash. And final 1 versus 1. It's completely lies on XY. So 1 dash. Now you join all the points 1, 2, 3. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So finally you join. Right? Now this is the answer. Clear? The shape it comes. So you join from 5th diagram into 6th diagram. Similarly from 3rd diagram, so here to here projection lines, from 5 here to here projection lines, the intersecting points where it is, you join it. Clear? So now the surface makes an angle inclined to HP. Now the diameter, which point is it lies, okay, that diameter line is inclined to VP. This is the solution for the given problem. Thank you.